OnePlus 13 was unveiled in the Indian market in January this year. However, details about its successor, the OnePlus 15, have already started to emerge online. A new leak coming out of China suggests that the OnePlus 15 will feature a 6.78-inch flat display with 1.5K resolution. The OnePlus 15 powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. Up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage. The phone could have a triple camera setup on the back, with a 50MP camera. Notes the camera setup will include a 200MP periscope telephoto lens. OnePlus 15's latest leak hints 7000 mAh plus battery, with 100W wired SuperVOOC charging and 50W wireless charging support. A China launch is likely in October 2025, with a global debut expected by January 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.